So to get this working, right, this is my universal remote. If you tried the codes and they don't work, let's go on to the website, OneForAll.com. If you bought it second hand, you can try taking a photo of it with your phone, and you should be able to do a reverse image search. If you take the photo on a nice clear background, it should give you the model. It'll give you lots of similar ones, but take a photo of that and then do the reverse image search. So, you know, like take a photo and search it as you would on your phone. You need to come over to the support tab, universal remotes. Then, don't worry about that. Then once you've got your code, the one we said here, so it's going to be like URC or something similar. Just paste that in, take off that space, and you can see I've got the Evolve TV. I know mine's a definite match because I copy and paste. Then what you can do, view support, click manuals. This is really funny because if you press all languages, it's got every language they offer except English. But if you press English, it has English, so that'll get you some way. So you really need the all languages to get the codes list, and then the English to read it, which is crazy. But hopefully that will help you get going a bit faster. Now I've got other videos on this, so check those out in this card you see here. Like and subscribe if this was helpful. I've got links down below that would help if you want to see that. And thanks for watching. See you soon.